This conference will now be recorded.
Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, sir, I'm able to hear you. Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to speak about file handling. Generally, every Python application takes data from keyboard, but whatever data you are giving from keyboard, it is completely temporary. Okay, as long as the data is very small, okay, no
Hmm.
problem. You can submit the data from keyboard. But when you are dealing with large volumes of data, okay, it is not that much easy to input the data from keyboard. So in that case, we need to store the data, and whatever data you are giving to your application should be stored in permanent storage device like hard disk. So
Okay.
in real time scenarios also, definitely, okay. So every business needs data to be stored in files. So consider a bank organization. So in bank organization, definitely they need to store data permanently, because even after 10 years also, they need to extract, they need to track the result, track the transactions. Because of that reason, every organization, every business need to store the data permanently. So in Python also we have some functions. Okay, using file functions we can using file functions we can access data, we can manipulate the data, we can output the data. So we can do many actions. So first let us write a few important points about these files. File is a location, or file is a named location on the disk which stores data permanently. Python language provides various functions like read, write, read lines. Okay, yeah, these are the functions that are supported by uh, Python language to manipulate the data. Various functions and methods to provide the communication between Python program and files. What are the points still we have to write? At the time of opening a file, we need to mention a mode. Okay, so that represents the operation to be performed on the file. Means which kind of operation you wanted to perform. Whether you are opening a file for reading purpose, writing purpose, or appending purpose, manipulation purpose. Okay, so what is the reason you are opening a file? So your indicates mode indicates for what purpose we are opening a file. Now let us write few modes here. First one is mode and it is section. First of all, I am going to using R mode. So open a file for reading. W mode. Open a file for writing. Creates a new file if it does not exist. It does not exist or truncates just a minute.
Not moving.
Does not exist or truncates the file if it exists. So the next mode is X mode. It opens a file for exclusive creation. If the file already exists, the operation fails. Means exclusive use, it is not shareable. For a single person, if a file wanted to be opened, we have to open the file with the X mode. And A means append mode here. So if the data is already there, okay, so at the end of the file, new data will be added. Open for appending. At the end of the file without truncating. Creates a new file.
Sir, truncating means deleting and creating, right?
Yes, truncating means overwriting.
Already. Okay.
Opens a file, it open for appending at the end of the file without truncating, without discarding. Truncating means discarding actually. And one more mode is, what is that one more mode? V mode is there. V, it is for, okay, it is not required for us because we are not dealing with any binary data. Okay, so these are the modes R, W, X, A. Now let us do one sample example here. So here open function is there. So here we have one open function. Open function, open the file in the specified mode and creates file objects. And we have file object provides various methods, and by using those methods we can perform the read or write operations on the file. and we can close the file also. This both file object. Now let us take one file C equal to, I am going to take a file that is my file dot txt. This is the file, and here I am going to use a function print. This is I am going to use x dot read and x dot close using so x returns uh, file object, right? So that file object contains methods like read, write, close. Many methods are there. Okay. Now let us go and copy these 3 lines. It is very simple program which is going to read content from myfile.txt. So it is going to expect that so the file is already there. Let us open PyCharm. Submit. Let us create one file here, myfile.txt, within the same folder. Okay, in my second package. In the my second package, so what is the file name actually? The file name is now it is mod2. Okay, so within the second my second package, I am going to create a file first. File, new file name is myfile.txt. This is text file, and to read this contents, I am going to write one more new Python file. Python file. This is test1.py. Now let us no
That
Python. Okay, so no Python and Python 312 python.exe. happened here?
No, say Python path should be set, I guess. Yes.
Mm. 312 python.exe to set up path. What happened? Who had removed this?
So do we need to import anything, sir, for file?
No, 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 no. Actually,
No.
Python was moved to some other location.
Oh, okay. Then, no, sir. In the settings, can you check in the Python debugger Python path you need to settings? PyCharm settings. Yeah, settings. Build execute deployment. Can you
Just
expand, sir? Left hand.
controls.
Build execute deployment. Left hand side.
System settings. Hmm.
Ah, okay, sir. Okay, sir. The last build execute deployment. That one.
Where we can set Python path here.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Appearance. This is path variable. Path variable.
So under projects, projects, sir. My first project in the left hand side, below, below version control,
My
sir. No, my projects. No, no. Below version control, my projects is there, sir. Can you expand it in under settings?
projects. This one.
No, sir. In settings, can you go to
Under
settings? File settings.
settings.
Settings. Projects. My projects. The left hand side. Below version control, project. My first project is there, sir. That one, sir. Can you expand it?
This one version
My,
control.
no, not this one. Appearance and behavior, not, sir. Can you minimize the? Can you? No, sir. In the settings itself, my project first project is there, sir. In settings itself, left hand side. File settings. My
Hmm.
project first project. Under that interpreter, sir. File settings.
Yeah, the settings.
This settings. File settings.
File properties.
No, sir.
Where
File
is file
settings. No,
properties?
no.
File settings.
No, sir. File setting. File settings. Go to settings, sir. File settings. Go to file settings. Settings.
Okay, okay, okay. So you're asking this one, right? My first project.
Yeah. In this, my first project should be reflected in reflected in settings also, sir. Can you go to settings? File menu settings.
Where is file
Yes.
menu?
Yeah, this is correct only, sir. First you go gone to settings, right? That one only, sir. File settings. Initially you go to settings, right? That one only, sir. File settings.
Mm.
Yeah, settings. Yes, in the down project should be there, sir. In the left hand side. One, two, three, four, five, six. Sixth one from down. Sixth one from down, sir. From down, last from down.
One,
Sixth
two,
one.
three, four, five, six. Right, this one.
Yes, sir. Can you expand it? Here, Python interpreter, sir. Yeah, Python interpreter. Can you click it?
Python
Yeah.
interpreter.
Yes. Here only you need to add the interpreter, sir. That path. Add interpreter and mention that path, sir. Yes. Add local interpreter
Where it is?
in your local only, sir.
But it is showing somewhere else. It is location, user Shivani, PyCharm project. B.
Can you choose existing, sir, instead of new on the top radio button? Yeah. No, no, on top existing. Yeah, environment
This one existing.
existing. Existing and choose the interpreter, sir, if anything is there. No, right? Okay.
It is showing nothing.
Nothing means then you have to choose the new one, sir. New and choose the new one, sir.
This one I think Python.
Okay, sir. Python 3.11. Okay, sir. 3.11. Okay. Yeah. No, it is not showing.
But it is not selected.
Then choose new itself, sir. If you cancel and choose new, sir. New and choose this one, sir. New and choose that particular Python path. Then now choose and correct only, sir. Python 3.11, Python exe. My first project.
Where is that path?
Below only, sir. C Python. Mm. On the top, the path is there, sir. Can you delete those path and up to C and choose Python C11, sir? Yeah, yeah. Backspace. Yeah, C Python 11, sir. On top. Yeah, correct, sir.
But here, okay. Okay.
Mm,
But it is not highlighting. Environment location directory is not empty.
okay. No, actually, interpreter only you need to change, sir. Can you cancel it and choose interpreter only? You need to change it, sir. Not this one. Interpreter only. 3.12 is there.
Python
3.11 you
interpreter.
need to choose it. Yeah, yeah. 3.12 is there, sir. You need to choose 3.2. Yeah, show all. Yeah, yes, sir. 3.1.11, sir.
But it is not giving any Python
Yeah, there is show
312 is
all.
there.
Can you show all is this? Show all. Can you give, sir? Show all. No, it is choosing some other interpreted path, sir. Can you change it here also? Yeah. Yes, sir. Python 3 and expand it, sir.
But it is not highlighting.
No, you can expand it and choose it. Python exe. Sir, expand it, sir. Yeah, expand.
I think it is there in which folder? Bin folder, right?
Uh, yes, sir. Bin only.
Python.exe.
Yes. Now, okay, sir. Apply. Okay.
Invalid. It is showing.
No, no. It is showing choosing the old one, sir. In the drop down, can you choose the latest one? It is choosing old one. Python 3.12. The drop down, can you check any new one is there? No Python. No.
but it is not highlighting.
Mm, can you go to settings again, sir? Settings and check it once. Yeah, settings. Yeah, interpreter in the no no sir, in the Python interpreter. Yeah, Python interpreter. Show all. Drop down. Go to the drop down, sir. In the drop. mm,
Show all. Where it is show all?
in the drop down. Okay, can you click drop down, sir? Python interpreter drop down. Python interpreter, sir. Below there is one drop down is there, sir. Add interpreter. Left hand side there is one drop down. Is there. That
This
drop down.
one. This one.
And below that, sir. Invalid Python 3.2, right? That one. Yeah. Show all. Yeah. Show all. There is one in the right, in the left hand side top. There is one tool icon is there, sir. No, no. In the left hand side top, there is one tree tool icon is there. Can you click that one, sir? Tree tool icon. Yeah, tree. Last, right from
Okay,
first.
this one.
Right from first. First one. Right from first. Yeah, correct. Can you click that, sir? Yeah. Choose this one, sir. Got.
Lib.
See, one minute, sir. It should be uh, user local bin Python.
Bin Python.
Yeah, bin Python should. Can you add it, sir? Add it, and choose it. Bin Python. Yeah, under bin.
So this is
Okay.
Python.exe, right?
Yeah, yeah. This one you can add it, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Python 3.exe or Python.exe, sir.
Python exe only.
Oh, okay. Python 3 also there. No, okay, okay, sir. Fine. Okay, sir. Give okay. Give okay, sir. No, apply okay. Okay. Oh, so something. Wait, it is loading actually. It is loading, sir. Actually, after it chosen, it is loading. No Python at C312. No, you have chosen 3.1 one only. 3.11 only.
It is not taking 311. It is taking again
No,
3 or
no, sir.
312.
No, sir. After we apply, right, we need to wait for some time, sir, in the on that screen actually. Then only that it will come. Yeah, now it came invalid. It came config Python. No, no, on the right hand side, config Python interpreter icon is there, sir. Can you click it, sir? Yeah. Add new interpreter. Okay. Add local interpreter once. Add local interpreter, sir. Yeah, it's correct only. Sir, can you choose the Python under scripts folder, sir? Base interpreter. Under scripts, there is one Python file is there.
Under
Scripts.
in Python 11,
Python 11.
Python 311 scripts.
Scripts under scripts. Can you check it, sir? Scripts.
Under scripts only pipo files are there. This one you
Oh,
are writing tools under tools, right? Python.exe. This one.
yes, sir.
This one only, right?
Yeah, under Python 311 is python.exe. Yes, sir.
Again, it has taken same thing, right? Python 311, Python.exe.
Under scripts, nothing. Scripts, there is no folder called scripts. Scripts, sir. Scripts. Scripts. In that folder,
Scripts.
can you check what scripts? Anything is there, sir? And inside scripts, any
No,
python.exe
nothing
file
is
is there.
there. In only pip is there. Pip is a
Oh, pip
package
only
manager
is.
for Python, right?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. It is not showing. Okay. Um, for me, it is showing correctly.
Dot tools, Python.exe.
Sir, 1 minute. In the location, can you check next to virtual env there is any scripts file is there? Scripts Python indices it, sir. In the location. No,
Virtual
no. Here it's
environment.
virtual environment. Under location there is one above. Yeah, click it, sir. Yeah, can you check any scripts is there in VNV? VNV expanded, sir. Yeah, scripts. Yeah, this one, sir. Can you expand script and choose Python?
Nothing is there
Okay.
here. Script is
Can you
empty.
can you choose script and click OK, sir, once? Scripts. Choose scripts and OK, sir. Give OK. Give OK, sir. I think
Yeah, given
scripts. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, okay. Because for me under scripts only it is there.
No, it is.
Python.
This is okay. Is grayed out. It is not enabling.
Great. Not enabling.
Python 311, Python.exe. Base interpreter is in this location only. It is giving this error. Python.exe. The DLLs. Nothing is there here. Now we'll do one thing. Let us restart this.
Okay, sir.
Again, it is not restarting.
I think this is classic only, right, sir? Yeah, now it will look okay.
Okay, it is working now. Actually, once we set a new path, it should be restarted.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Here we have one more function, tell function. So tell function is going to tell where exactly the file pointer is there, and one more function, seek function is there. So here in
Mm.
this, we are going to use the seek and tell functions.
Mm.
So seek function is going to select a particular location in the file. Tell function is going to tell the current location of the file. Now let us
Okay.
take one simple program. This is pyfile dot txt print x dot tell. It is going to give current location of the pointer. And when I say x dot seek of 4, fourth location will be selected. And print x dot tell and print x dot read and print x dot tell and print x dot close. Now let us try this. Okay, first it is telling that the location is at 0th location. Next, we have selected fourth location, so it has moved to fourth. And next I am selecting x dot tell, x dot read.
Mm.
So from x dot read, okay, so from fourth location, the characters will be read. And finally, okay, so it is giving me 17, means total number of characters are, I think, 17. This is
Mm.
a
Mm.
test file, including spaces, 17 characters are there. So it is going to, it has printed the current location, the last position of the character, it has printed. Okay.
Mm. Mm. Okay, sir.
And let us take one more sample program. So if you want to read line by line, okay, so for that we have a function called read line. Now let us open same file here. So what is the
Okay.
file name we created? myfile.txt.
Mm.
These three. Print x.tell. That says x dot seek of 8. Not 8, we are going to give 3. Third character. Print x dot tell and print x dot read line.
Sir, tell means what
Now
you
this
told,
is
sir?
going. Hmm.
Tell means tell of function. What tell of function will do?
Tell means where exactly the location is there. Okay, after
Okay.
moving file pointer to a particular location, I want to know where file pointer is. So then we can use
Okay.
tell function.
Oh, okay, sir.
And it will read all the data from current line to end of the line. Now let us take this and execute this and let us copy paste here. Let us. So here from third character it has printed all the characters here. first x dot tel. X dot tel means 0th character was printed, and x dot seek means okay. So I have moved my file pointer to third character, and after that I am displaying the current location. Okay, from current location we are printing other line. So means this is a test file. From here it has printed. This is a third character actually. From third character it has printed all the characters.
Okay, sir.
What is it? My file.txt, right? And let us add one more line here in this file. This is another line. Vertically, this is saved, right? This auto save option is enabled. Okay. So what is that file? Test one, right? Test one. So in the test one, I'm going to modify a little bit. This is example 4. And here I'm going to open same file, my file dot txt lines equal to x dot read lines. So to read in single string the format. Now this is going to read line by line. So to print line by line, I am taking a for loop. P in lines print P, and finally x dot close. X dot close.
Bracket is missing.
This is a test file, and this is another line. Okay, to read line by line, we can use read lines, and to read all characters from a file, we can use read line. There is a difference between read line and read lines. So if you want to extract line by line, we have to use read lines. Now, when you want
Okay.
to read line by line, you can use read line. So is
Okay,
it
sir.
clear?
How we can? Yes, clear, sir. Sir, how we can get the data from CSV or JSON?
CSV means comma separated value.
Comma separated value or Excel, anything is fine. Or JSON also you can tell me, sir. Because JSON only we will give inputs, right, for our testing. I mean for our projects and all. JSON only mostly we will use, right, sir, for
Hmm.
input. So how we will take the JSON using this file, sir?
So how you will take JSON means generally how you are giving input to my open function. In the same way, you can give JSON file also. But you are asking me how to manipulate JSON files, right?
Yeah,
How to
the JSON
manipulation,
file.
how to manipulate, how to read.
Yes, read using this file. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, normally how you are using read, there also you can use read function.
Okay, 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 sir. Fine. Okay, sir. Same way I can use it, sir. Read first.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here, so till now we have been working with existing file. So, but how to write the data? Writing data a file. So how to write the data? So to write the data, so we have to open the file with open uh, some file dot txt in quotes, comma, within quotes give w. W means writing mode. and I want to write some data. X dot write, which data I want to write? Python is a general purpose language. Then you can X dot close. Now X is going to return pointer. Using X object, we are writing data into some file.txt. Okay, and after that also we can read the data by using read function. See here. Let us take this and let us paste it over here. Why it is saying invalid Python interpreter? Data is written. Okay, data is written to uh, some file.txt. Now we are going to append some data. Here, if you say some file.txt, are you seeing it? Some file.txt file is created here. Here, and if you open this, are you seeing Python is a general purpose language? Is there here? Which one?
No,
Test.py,
some
right?
file.txt,
Next.
some file.txt only.
And I want to append some data without modifying, okay, without truncating, without discarding old data. I want to append some data. Open
Yeah.
same some file
Oh.
dot txt. I don't want to overwrite. Again, if you are using W, old data will be discarded, but I don't want to discard old data, and I want to keep old data also. Then you can write x dot write. Next line I am writing. This is new text, and x dot write is over, and I am saying x dot close. This is for appending. Now in some file.txt, what happened? Some
Okay.
file.txt, I think I have given tx I have given. See,
txt. No, instead of txt, you give txr. So if you replace
yeah,
txt,
yeah,
it will.
that is. So here test.py. This is txt. Now you seeing other new line was added here. This is new test.
Okay, sir.
Now this is about file handling, and our next topic will be exception handling. So generally, during writing and execution of a program, we may face three types of errors. So the first category of errors like syntax errors, and syntax errors are occurred due to incorrect spellings, incorrect syntaxes,
Sir, I couldn't hear you. Sir?
No, no, no. I did not speak anything.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, I'm on mute because I
No problem, sir. It's almost late actually.
responded to
We'll
my
we'll
phone
see
call. Okay.
tomorrow.
So,
We'll see tomorrow, sir. This exception only because it's almost 9:30.
okay. So just we are going to introduce this. Then we will see
Oh,
tomorrow.
okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah.
So during writing and execution of a program, we may face three types of errors. One is syntax error. Other one is logical errors. Logical errors might be occurred. And the third category is runtime errors. So yeah, these are the three types of errors that we may face during writing and execution of a program. And syntax errors are occurred when you uh, perform invalid when you write invalid syntaxes like mismatching of brackets due to typos and due to missing of semicolons, commas. So these are the syntax errors. When syntax error is occurred, our program execution will be halted. Program will not be executed. But when logical error is occurred, program will be executed, but we don't get any expected output. We will get unexpected output. And when runtime error is occurred, what happens here? Your whole logic is correct, but runtime error is occurred. What happens? The program execution will not be continued whenever a runtime error is occurred. Okay, and whenever a runtime error is occurred, what happens here? Whatever resources are allocated for your application are completely okay engaged. They will not be released, and compiler does not know what to do. The Python interpreter or compiler does not know what to do. So in that case, simply program will be halted. And when the program is halted, so once the program is halted and whatever resources are allocated, completely held up, and program will go into hang state. Okay, so runtime error is occurred. So when the language interpreter or compiler does not know what to do. Suppose very simple example why when the runtime error is occurred. Suppose a equal to 10 and b equal to 0. This is very common error. C equal to when I say a by b. And since we cannot divide a number by 0, definitely a runtime error is occurred. So at this moment, whatever resources allocated for this application will not be released. Okay, program will be freezed and memory will be held. Hard disk storage will also be not released. Okay, so this is one case where runtime error is occurred. And like this, we can have so many situations. Suppose here we have something like we have declared a array integer a of sorry a of 5. The array declaration is like this in C, C++ or .NET or Java. And when I try to assign a number into a array location which does not exist, suppose I may say a of 10 equal to 23. Actually, the location, the limitation of array a is 5 cells only, but you are assigning a value into a array index which does not exist. Invalid IP, invalid logic, okay, memory issues, hardware failure. So these are the situations. Okay, so that whenever these situations are arised, program will be going into abnormal state. When program is going into abnormal state, okay, and the resources will not be released and program will be hanging. So to overcome this problem, okay, so we have exception handling mechanism. So in exception handling mechanism, we are going to predict the error, and by predicting the error, we are going to write error part also. Means suppose here when you try to divide a number by 0, c equal to a by b, and we are going to, so we may expect that b might be 0. Whenever b is 0, what should be your response? What is the remedy part you have to take? Okay, so that is nothing but exception handling. So am I clear? So why exceptions are occurred? How to solve the exceptions?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And let us see one small program. I will tell and I will wind up the class. Print begin, and here I equal to int of input, enter a number, and j equal to also int of input, enter another number, and here k equal to I by j, k equal to I by j. Now in this case, what happens here when I try to print k value? So it is going to give me error. So what kind of error we are going to give? It is going to give, let us watch. Let us watch it practically. And test1.py. Are you seeing unexpected error is occurred here? Indentation error, okay. Indentation error I will take care of. But actually this is the error which we are not expecting. Right. Now I am going to enter some number 12. Suppose second number is 0. Okay, are you seeing this is a built-in exception. Zero division error. Okay, this is a class actually. And since a number cannot be divided by 0, okay, so automatically an error and the error description division by 0. Division by 0 is a error message and it is a built-in class name. Zero division error is a built-in class name. For every error, so there is a error class. For every error, there is a error class. Now this is the error class that is going to be displayed. So when you divide a number by 0. But how to handle this error? Okay, so in the next class we will see that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sure, sir.
Okay, so I'm stopping the session. Tomorrow we meet again at the same time.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.